I don't know, she's breaking shit.
Why is she losing her mind?
I don't know, I'm gonna stop recording though.
Why are you losing your mind?
What did she break?
I don't know, I'm gonna go find out.
Yo, I'm just gonna stay out of this one.
I'm just gonna, no, move.
Is he crying?
Oh, one of those go things.
It broke?
Yeah.
What did you do? I didn't do anything. Mom's
Dad, there's...
I'm gonna keep an eye on it
Everything's
still.
off. Everything's off. I turned everything off.
Do we need a fire extinguisher?
Nah, flour. Flour.
I don't know.
How do you know flour puts it out, Dad?
Hurry up.
Hurry up!
That's all we have? Yeah, I need more though. Holy mackerel.
Okay.
Is it working?
Holy you. She's great in emergency.
Go.
What? Do I call 911?
No, I just get